Hello and welcome to Four Little Bears. Today let's continue the fun fold stash buster with card 2, the double Z fold. As a reminder, all links are in the description below, and you can make these as individual cards. The instructions are all on each individual sheet, or you can make them as a group, following all the instructions starting at the front. And if you're doing it that way, make sure to go and watch the first video cut guide. For this card, we'll start out with a piece of cardstock that is 7.5 inches by 5.5 inches. And we'll score that at 1 1/4 inch. Then slide over and score at 3 1/4 inch. Then for our 7 1/4 by 2 inch strip, we'll score that at 2 inches. And then 4. And then just score and burnish all of those folds. I'll go ahead and list these ingredients for the cards out, but reminder, they are all in the PDF linked below. For your insert for writing, you'll need a piece that is 3 by 4. Your pattern pieces will be 1 inch by 5 1/4, 1 3/4 by 5 1/4, 4 by 5 1/4, and 2 that are 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. That wasn't meant to be a question. Yes, it's 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 square. So if you didn't want to use the cut guides, you could of course just use those measurements and still make this card. I'll go ahead and glue all of my pretty pieces to the card, along with the writing insert. Adding a little extra glue for that glitter, make sure it sticks. Then I'll go ahead and add my pieces to the smaller Z fold section down here. And on this one, just make sure that when you're putting your pieces in, especially if they are directional, that your longer side is 3 1/4 side is to the left. This would be a great opportunity also to add in little pieces of acetate and like little bees or something that might be flying around like a bird maybe. Starting with the right-hand side, we'll go ahead and glue that pattern piece, the whole square, we'll glue flat against the base. I'm kind of just lining it up with the bottom of the writing insert and, of course, the right edge of the card. And we want to fold it back in on top of itself. And then that's going to fold over the front Z flap. So we'll only add glue to the section that's going to be on that smaller Z fold section at the very top. And again, with this being glitter, I'm going to be real careful to make sure that actually glues down. It's pretty, but it may not have been the right choice for a tutorial. It's a lot of struggle. So for my front, I'm just going to mat this 4 1/4 by 3 3/4 piece with a 4 inch by 3 inch piece. I think I said that wrong too. It's 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. And then the inside is 4 by 3. Again, for this one, I'm only going to add glue to the section of that Z fold where it's going to touch. Kind of just centering it on the card. And then it's done. This is perhaps, in my opinion, one of the easiest fun folds that you can do. It's so impressive. And it doesn't really take much. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's all for this card. Remember to look at the rest of the playlist for the rest of how to put these cards together. I hope to see what you guys do, and I hope you loved it. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and have a wonderful week.